Welcome back to War Birds, the channel where the skies come alive, and the legends of air power take flight once more. This is not just another YouTube channel, it is a journey into the thrilling world of military aviation, where history meets technology, and where bravery takes to the skies. From the roar of propellers during World War II to the silent glide of modern stealth fighters, aircraft have defined the shape of battles and the course of nations. Here at War Birds, we celebrate these incredible machines, the men and women who flew them, and the stories that turned them into icons of courage and power. Why War Birds? Because for over a century, fighter planes, bombers, and reconnaissance aircraft have been the wings of war. They are the guardians of nations, the shield in times of danger, and the sword that strikes with precision. Each aircraft carries not only cutting-edge engineering but also the weight of history, innovation, and sacrifice. And on this channel, we bring that story to you. Our content is designed for aviation enthusiasts, history lovers, and anyone fascinated by the power of the skies. Together, we will explore legendary aircraft such as the Spitfire, the Mustang, and the Messerschmitt that dominated World War II dogfights. We will dive into the Cold War era, where jets like the MiG-21, F-4 Phantom, and Mirage 3 pushed the limits of speed and altitude, changing the face of air combat forever. But War Birds is not only about the past, it's about the present and the future of aerial warfare. We will take a close look at modern fifth-generation fighters such as the F-35 Lightning II, the F-22 Raptor, the Su-57 Felon, and the Chengdu J-20, analyzing their strengths, weaknesses, and the roles they play in today's complex battlefield. We'll compare rival aircraft, discuss their technologies, and answer the burning question, which jet truly rules the skies? Beyond fighters, we'll also cover the rise of unmanned aerial systems, drones like the MQ-9 Reaper and the Bayraktar TB2, that have transformed the very nature of war. No longer is dominance in the skies only about speed and stealth, but also about information, precision, and endurance. War Birds is here to guide you through this new era. And of course, air power is not just about machines. It is about people. Brave pilots, engineers, and strategists who put everything on the line. On this channel, we honor their courage, their sacrifices, and their victories. We tell the human stories behind the aircraft, tales of daring dogfights, desperate missions, and triumphs against the odds. Because behind every war bird, there is a heartbeat. We also take you inside the technology, how radar systems work, how stealth designs keep jets invisible, how engines produce incredible thrust, and how missile defense systems like the Patriot or S-400 challenge air superiority. Our mission is to make these complex topics accessible and exciting for everyone, from casual viewers to hardcore aviation fans. But War Birds is more than videos. It is a community. We want to hear your thoughts, your ideas, and your passion for military aviation. Whether you're a student dreaming of becoming a pilot, a historian fascinated by past battles, or simply someone who loves the sound of jet engines, this channel is your home. Together, we will keep the spirit of air power alive. The sky has always been a symbol of freedom, power, and ambition. Nations rise and fall, technologies evolve, but one thing remains constant: the war bird, soaring above the clouds, shaping the destiny of battles below. Here at War Birds, we honor that legacy. We relive it, and we look ahead to the future it promises. So, fasten your seatbelts, adjust your headsets, and get ready for takeoff. Because every video on this channel is a flight into history, a journey into technology, and a salute to the men, women, and machines that have ruled the skies. Welcome aboard War Birds, where the past, present, and future of air power meet. The sky is not the limit. It is only the beginning.